Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0533SA in color code 005. It's a black color frame. It has a double GG Gucci logo in gold inside the temples, and it has a transparent temple at the end over here, as well as over here. This frame is made in Italy, and it says that right over here. And the lenses are blue gradient color, and it has the Gucci logo engraved on the top left lens over here. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.